flying to go to the fax machine.
I look to see if somebody steals money, but the money is there. What's the point?
Where are you from? Mexico.
You are in our custody for that detainer from ICE. When you come back, you're not wearing that brown sweatshirt.
What's this one from? There's too many inconsistencies in what you're saying for us to feel comfortable that you're not involved in this in some fashion. Things don't add up. Don't remember taking that this time.
You don't remember. Does video lie?
I want to make sure that I understand the sequence of events here. You work at El Tequila Salsa. You live on 12th Ave. Who else lives there with you?
My brother.
Okay. And what's your brother's name?
Sebastian.
Okay.
And his girlfriend.
Okay.
Breanna
And what's
Schneller.
Breanna? Okay.
My brother woke me up.
Your brother Sebastian?
Yes. He just spoke to me saying, "Oh, time to get ready for work." I hear them talking, my brother and Breanna. I don't know what they're talking about.
Did it sound like any arguing or anything loud?
If it would have been loud and I'm right next to the room,
Sure.
I would have thought something suspicious, but no.
And what time did your brother leave? Because all three of you are at the apartment at this time. At what time did your brother leave?
9:55.
So he was only there for about 10 minutes after you woke up? Okay, so your brother left in his car to go to work. And he also works at El Tequila Salsa. What time did you leave?
I said 10:15.
So at the time you left, you still hadn't seen Breanna. You heard her talking a little bit before that, right? With the brother, but you hadn't seen her. Okay. So when you left, do you remember locking the door or anything like that?
I don't know for sure.
What time did you get to work?
Around 10:15.
What time did you leave work?
And this is 1:20. I walk in the restaurant and in the house, everything look on place, okay, like I saw it this morning. Then I was walking in my room. I didn't even notice nothing at first. Walking in my room, I don't pay attention to her. And this is me walking in a little hallway, going to my room. But the body doesn't even look like a body because the face was covered by a towel. I was walking in. Then I see her covered by a towel. Who's this? Her car is not here. And then, who's this? Her car is not here. Then I lift the towel and I got the car. Then I yell, "Help!" And I walk out of the house. The apartment right away. Went to that guy. Can you please call police? Call somebody. And then I saw the how you call ironer?
The iron?
It was broken and it was by her feet. So maybe somebody cut herself with the plastic, or I don't know, but it was suspicious to me to see the ironer broken over her.
Did you call anybody else besides having the police called?
I used my phone and I called my brother. I said, "Brother, there's something wrong with Breanna. Come home." And they said, "Just relax, everything is okay, don't worry."
He said everything's going to be okay?
Yeah. "Don't worry, just stay by Breanna. I'll see her. What's wrong with her? Maybe just stay by her, stay by her." I said, "I can't, brother. I think she's dead." He said, don't worry, I'll be there." I look at my apartment because I have dollar bills.
Sure.
Like all lying in my desk.
Okay, dollar bills? Okay, from work or from?
Tips, yeah.
Okay.
I'm very unorganized. My room is a mess. Okay, always a mess. So if you look at clean, it's because, I don't know, something happened to me. I'm cleaning my room. But I look to see if somebody went in there to steal money. But the money is there. What's the point?
So how would you describe their relationship?
Better than many. Anybody you ask, she's a good person, never go out, always studying, working, cleaning the house.
So there was nothing, a romantic relationship going on between the two of you? Okay, you didn't feel any jealousy toward your brother because of their relationship?
I look at her like a sister, she look at me like a brother.
I'd like to get a DNA sample from you today, a voluntary DNA sample. Just looking for DNA to identify you as an individual, and in the apartment, if they find you know, maybe like that towel with blood on it, they'll probably check for DNA and see if, you know, they might find some DNA that matches a Hispanic male. Well, if we have your DNA, we can see, well, it's Hugo's because he lives there. We can kind of understand a little bit more of that.
So Raul Ponce, but did he work Saturday?
Yes.
Do you know what hours he worked?
I knew he was there when I got there.
Did he ever leave?
Yes, he did.
When did he leave?
Between 10:30 to maybe 11. Because he went to pick this guy right here, Luciano,
Luciano, doesn't he? Where does he live?
by our apartment. The second guy was Eric, because he did not show up to work, because he called my brother saying that he was with a girl. The third guy was Raul, because Raul picked Luciano up. So it's between Raul, Luciano, or Eric. I'm very close to Eric, and it's hard for me to say Eric, but at this point, anyone can be the one.
Has Eric been to your house?
Yes.
Has Raul been to your house?
Yes.
Has Luciano been to your house?
No.
Raul left to go pick up Luciano.
Mm-hmm.
About the time you get to work, shortly after you get to work?
Shortly after, probably. Yes.
How long was he gone for?
I was in the other side. I wasn't in the kitchen, but I don't know for sure. Maybe till 11 or a little after 11.
Okay. So you're saying you think Raul would have had the opportunity to do that?
Yeah.
How many times does he pick Luciano up? Is that normal?
Normal. But the point here is that he didn't know Breanna wasn't home because Breanna's car wasn't there.
Do you think Raul liked Breanna? Would Raul go over and...
Raul would like anyone. Raul would like anyone.
Do you recognize this glove?
Yeah. Could be my brother's from Winter, so.
Do you recognize this glove?
No. No, not that one. But that one shows blood over. And that one, that looks like a girl's glove.
But you've never seen it?
I've never seen it.
I'm Fort Buckner. Raul?
Yes.
Kind of where we start off is you're not under arrest or not in any trouble. We're investigating what happened to Breanna. Okay. Now you are a chef.
Yeah, I'm like,
Where are you from? Mexico. How long have you lived here in Wausau?
5 years.
Did you come from Mexico to Wausau or were you somewhere else?
Yeah.
Where in Mexico were you from?
Mexico City.
Mexico City. So you work roughly at almost 9, open, and then how late do you work on Saturday?
Saturday, to 9.
9 to 9?
Yeah.
Did you ever leave the restaurant that day?
Yeah. In the morning.
What time in the morning?
Like around 10:30, 10:20.
10:30ish? And where?
I went to the apartments to pick up Luciano because he lives there.
Which apartment?
Where Bayugo is.
Oh, that same.
Yeah. He lives there. Luciano lives there.
Do you know which building is Hugo's?
Yeah.
What did you have on when you went and picked up Luciano?
This my pants and a white shirt.
Those are the same pants that you wore on Saturday? How about those shoes?
Yeah.
Those are the same ones. Was there anything over your white shirt?
No.
No. How long does it take you to drive from Tequila to those apartments?
Like 10 minutes.
How long does it take for him to come out after you hung out?
Like 2 minutes.
Then what happens?
Then we went back to the restaurant.
So another 5-10 minutes back to the restaurant. Yeah. How long do you think you were gone in total?
Like 20 minutes.
Then once you guys both go into work, did either of you have to leave work again for any reason or go back outside for any reason?
Oh, well, no.
What other duties do you guys have to do besides cook in the back? Dishwashers too? Do you remember if you went out to the dumpster anytime that day?
No, not that day.
The other thing we're doing is asking people to provide, if you're willing to, is provide the DNA and hair samples and fingerprints. Is that something you're willing to do? That's okay.
Just stick it in your mouth and just rub it against your cheek real hard. Okay.
Can you show us your hands? Do you have any injuries, any cuts to your hands? These? What's that one? What's this one from?
Slicing onions.
Onion? When did you do that?
Like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. Alright. How about this one?
The same, like shaving the knives.
Mm-hmm. Sharpening? Or?
Sharpening the knives.
Oh. When was that?
The same day.
Same as that one? How about this one? On your thumb, on the ivory thumb?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is from 10:20 in the morning, Saturday. Do you believe this is you walking out with your hood up? When you come back, like we told you before, you're not wearing that brown sweatshirt when you walk in. What did you do with it?
It's in the house.
Can we get that from your house? Where is it? Where would it be? In your room.
Do you go to the dumpster over here? Was there maybe one time that the video would show you going over there to put something in the dumpster, cardboard?
No, don't remember like taking garbage out.
You don't remember.
See how many pictures we have?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a test. You need to pass this test. And we already talked about whether video lies or not. Does video lie? No. I know you drove the car to work. I believe you drove the car over to get Luciano. And I know it took you longer than 20 minutes to get back. I know you don't have your sweatshirt when you walk in.
There's too many inconsistencies in what you're saying for us to feel comfortable that you're not involved in this in some fashion. And things just don't add up. The first thing is what you were wearing. You said white shirt. Among your other things, white shirt. Second thing is how long it took you to pick up Luciano. You said 20 minutes. It took longer than 20 minutes based on the video. The other thing is you say you did not do anything with the garbage.
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Like taking it to the dumpster.
But the video suggests that you did go all the way out to the dumpster. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah. There's all these little details that aren't accurate on the first go-through that then change once we show you something.
Because you are in our custody for that detainer from ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, that we're going to place you in handcuffs. Okay, so I need you to stand up and turn around for me.
Okay, let me just explain to you why this happened. This isn't something we planned to do. Like when I told you before, I'm going to be honest with you. When I'm telling you that we didn't plan to do this, I'm telling you the truth. It's just there's too many inconsistencies here for us to just let you just walk out of here. And if your status has been determined by this immigration person that called you, we can't take a chance that you're just going to walk out of here and go and take off. Because if you're involved in this, that could be a likelihood of something that could happen. As a non-U.S. citizen who is being arrested or detained, you are entitled to have us notify your country's consular officers here in the United States of your situation. Do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time? Yes. Are you nodding? Oh, not yes? Okay.